this really represents the first time that there will be a dedicated meeting really bringing a diverse community together, really, who've been thinking about the whole system from very molecular and cell biological approaches to imaging in whole animal systems in awake mice, as well as applying all of the clinical information. And so this really provides a first opportunity in my mind to really share and discuss and have and synergize across research labs.
With increased understanding of biomarkers from the CSF, particularly now probably the most established is for Alzheimer's disease, but also other neurodegenerative diseases. There are a lot of interesting and promising biomarkers that are being studied.
One of the most important discoveries of that's been out here the last 10 years has been that beta amyloid, that is believed to be implicated in Alzheimer's disease, is transported by the glymphatic and the lymphatic system. And we have to define what is suppressing its efflux as we. So I think a lot of interest come in this topic from the field of neurodegeneration.
So I think Alzheimer's is clearly on top of mind for many of us, but I think it is just a tip of the iceberg.
And I might actually be so blunt to state that there's probably no neurological diseases that does not involve disturbances in CSF transport. Mm-hmm. Like all the inflammatory diseases, TBI, clearly involve that, and the acute neurological diseases such as ischemia. Its emerging evidence suggests that CSF is a major contributor to the acute edema. So I would rather try to list diseases that does not implicate CSF.
As a physician scientist, I'm very excited about what we can learn about its roles of that system in disease. I think we know virtually next to nothing about the pathologies of these parts of the system in human disease. So I think that is a ripe area, and I think some of that we will begin to cover at the meeting.
Recent advances ranging from single cell transcriptomics all the way to imaging in awake mice have really started to help fuel and advances in this field.
We could potentially be entering, quote unquote, golden age in understanding of the system.
So we're really excited about this opportunity to bring together a really diverse research community from trainees and young investigators to also older, more senior investigators who have a lot more perspective, who may have more perspective on the entire field of neuroscience. To really discuss these exciting questions and opportunities that we have really at our fingertips right now.